Today we are going to learn how we can simplify the rational expression. For that we have to recollect some formula, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Then a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. While learning this formula, here minus means we are using a minus b. In the middle we are using plus. Like that, plus means we have to use what? A plus b, and the middle ab term is negative. Like that, a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b the whole square. Like that, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square. So these are the formulae you have to recollect for the rational expression simplification. Just we are going to discuss few problems based on reduction of rational expressions. Exercise 3.4. First question, first subdivision. Here it's given x square minus 1. This is nothing but x square minus 1. That 1 we can written as 1 square. Therefore it's in the form a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So I can write the numerator as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Am I right? Here say in the denominator x is common. You have to take the common terms always out. So x into x plus 1. See here x, if I am taking outside it becomes x. Here while taking x out it becomes 1. Which is equal to, say here x plus 1 is the common factor which can be removed, cancelled. Therefore we are getting x minus 1 divided by x. It's the simplest form of the rational expression. Just we can move on to the second one. Second one actually, you have to factorize it. Here in the numerator, the product is 18. Product is 18 and the sum is minus 11. What are the numbers? Can you guess? Here the numbers are minus 2 and minus 9. Add these two, we are getting minus 11. While taking the product, we are getting plus 18. See here we have x square. You put x and x here. Therefore, this we can written as x minus 2 into x minus 9. Like that, the denominator also you have to factorize. This easily you can do it. Here you can see the product is 4 and the sum is minus 4. Product is 4 and the sum is minus 4. Therefore the numbers are minus 2 and minus 2. Here we have x square. Therefore you put x. Therefore it becomes x minus 2 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 will get cancelled. You will get x minus 9 divided by x minus 2. This is the simplest form of this. See here, the numerator I factorized and the denominator is also I factorized. Then I removed the common factor. The rest is the final answer or the simplest form of the given rational expression. We can move on to the third subdivision. See in the third subdivision, what is the common factor in the numerator? See here just you see here it's 9 and here it's 81. So 9 is the common factor in the coefficient. Then here it's x square and here it's x. What is common? X is common. Put a bracket, open bracket. Then you write the rest of the terms. 9x I removed from that. I took it as common. So x plus x already I took outside. Instead of 81 I written only 9. The remaining is 9. Divided by, here also there is a common factor. What is common here? X is common. So you take it out. The remaining is x square plus 8x minus 9. Once again we have to factorize this polynomial or quadratic expression. So the product is minus 9 and the sum is 8. So we can find the numbers. The numbers are plus 9 and minus 1. Here we have x square. So you put x and x. Therefore we can write this as 9 into x plus 9. Since I cancel this x, the rest of the term is, see here, x plus 9 into x minus 1. Here the common factor is x plus 9, x plus 9. Therefore the answer is 9 divided by x minus 1. Fourth subdivision is the homework. So you just try to solve this. What to do? You have to factorize the numerator directly. In the denominator you have to take the common terms. Then you factorize, you will be getting the simplest rational function. Next part of the same exercise is the excluded values. Excluded values means some values will lead the denominator to 0. So those values are known as excluded values. For that you have to minimize or simplify the given rational expression. So numerator you have here, I consider the second question. First subdivision, y divided by y square minus 25. So we can write this as y divided by y square minus 5 square. Why you know? This is in the form a square minus b square is equal to this form. So I can write this as, so y divided by y plus 5 into y minus 5. Therefore, the excluded values are 2. See here if you are putting minus 5, this term will vanish. So minus 5. And if you are substituting here 5, it becomes 0. So these two are known as the excluded values. Now we can move to the next term. See here t divided by, the denominator is t square minus 5t plus 6. The product is 6 and sum is minus 5. What are the values? Can you guess? Yeah, here we can take minus 2 and minus 3 are the values. Therefore, the excluded values are 2. If you are substituting 2, which will vanish. Here if you are substituting 3, which will vanish. Therefore, the excluded values are 2 and 3. Third subdivision, same thing. You have to factorize the numerator. So in this case, product is 8 and the sum is 6. What are the numbers? 2 and 4. Plus 2 and plus 4. The product is 8 and this. You will be getting x plus 2 into x plus 4. Now we can move to the denominator. See here the product is minus 2 and the sum is plus 1. Can you guess? X plus 2 into x minus 1. See here we have two factors in the denominator, even though x plus 2 is common. You remove that, cancel it, it becomes x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. This is the simplest form of this rational expression. Here only 1 is the excluded value. Therefore we can write the excluded value is equal to 1. So here another question is there. It's the last subdivision. This we can return as x cube minus 27 we can return as 3 cube divided by, see here x is common. Take x common, x square plus x minus 6, which is equal to, this is in the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula we have to use. It becomes x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9. 3 square is 9. Divided by this x as it is. Here the product is minus 6 and sum is plus 1. What are the numbers? X plus 3 into x minus 2. Therefore, what are the excluded values here? Therefore, the excluded values are, see here if you add x is equal to 0, which will vanish. If you are substituting x equal to minus 3, which will vanish, and while giving x equal to 2, which will vanish. These are the excluded values. So you have to practice the example sums also.